Welcome to video 2 in the Did Someone Say Help tutorial series of UEB Online Accessible Braille Training. This video covers the general question, I can't move past an error but it looks correct. We get this one a lot, and I want to show you some of the techniques and things that can happen which can exacerbate the problems. On the screen at the moment, I'm in exercise 1.1 of the UEB literacy series. I've typed the first line up to the last word on the first line called cab. I've typed the C and the A. I'm supposed to type a B, but for the sake of showing this, I'm actually going to type another A, and then I'm going to hit return to move to the next line. Here I get a wrong word message. Now, we know we've typed the wrong word. We can actually click that message and proceed on. However, whenever we type another word, so we're going to go C, A, G, E for cage. Whenever we type that word, even though we think cage is correct, we're still getting a wrong word because we didn't actually correct cab, which was wrong. So no matter how much further we keep typing on, even if we type the wrong thing here, we still go back and we still get a wrong word there. So the takeout is, if you get an error, something's wrong. Correct it before you actually proceed. So we'll go back and we'll now type the B. We'll go back here, type a space after cage, and now there's no error message showing. So we can move on to the next word, which is decide. The next strange error I want to show you is what happens when there's weird characters or different characters at the end of a message. So what I'm going to do is generate lots of carriage returns, and I'm going to put a couple of loose characters down the bottom. I'm going to go back here, and I've edited the word cage not so far, so I've typed C-A-G. I'm now going to type the E, and I press a space, and I start seeing unexpected return, and I go, hang on, what's happening here? Cage is correct. I've checked and I've double checked and everything's right there, but I'm still getting an error. What this generally indicates is exactly what's happened. Over time, you've built up a series of returns and spaces and characters that haven't been quite right, and somehow they've actually been pushed further down off the screen. What's happening is the error checker's going through here and thinking that you've tried to type lots of returns in between these characters here, and that's not what it's expecting. So if you start seeing strange errors, look and see if there's a scroll bar. If there is, scroll down, and if you see Braille characters that you don't think should be there, just select them and hit the delete key. And keep backspacing until you get to the correct place. Now when you type a space, you don't get any error messages after the cage. So just to confirm that, we'll go back. We've deleted the E again. We'll retype the E, press space, and we get no error messages. So the important takeouts of this are, if you get an error message, fix it. And if you see something that you think strange, like invalid returns or invalid spaces, then scroll down, go back and check that there's no extra characters further down in the lesson. Alright, thank you.